Hi, this is Charles. I'm currently here at OneCity Shopping Centre. In this video, I'm going to check out the Sungkai buffet here. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. Alright, so let's go. Behind me, the buffet has not started yet, and there are just so many selection of food. Duck and the lamb first. Okay. Because the Sungkai today is around 6:27, so we just get the food first and then put on the desk until 6:27 only we start to eat. Breaking the fast time, we can start eating now. Baby octopus. So I just have a mixture of Chinese food section, like lots of different kinds of seafood. I'm now at the rojak stand. I'm ordering rojak, which is the fruit salad. Thank you. So this is the rojak, the fruit salad. I still got one more bun to eat. Very nice. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye bye.